Hello all the students stand up for good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food. Play some indoor game. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework in your copy. So today I am going to teach you maths. Chapter 8 is going on. I am going to explain example number 11 of page number 83. Example 11. Which fraction in each of the following pairs of fraction is greater? See, first question is 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. So in earlier classes, I taught you example 10. In example 10, numerator was same. Sorry, denominator was same, like 3 by 5 and 6 by 5 was there. Okay, just take 2 by 5. In example number 10, denominator was same. See, so whenever you find denominator same, okay, whenever you find denominator same, then we compare numerator. So here numerator is 3, so this is greater. So answer will be 3 by 5, greater is then 2 by 5. Okay, in denominator you will not get any problem for finding greater. Okay, but when you will come when you come in example number 11, here numerator is same, then you will think that numerator is same, then we will compare denominator, and you will see that 4 in 7 is greater than 4 by 7, 4 by 5. You will think this according to that question, but no, this is wrong. In this case, when numerator is same, okay, when numerator is same, then and the numerator is same and denominator is different, then we see whose denominator is less, that number is greater. Okay, so it is just opposite here. So since 5 is less than 7, 5 is less than 7 because numerator is same, so we cannot compare. So we will compare denominator. So here 5 is less than 7, so therefore 4 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. 4 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. In this, the smaller denominator one, that number is bigger. But in when the denominator is same, whatever the numerator, the greater numerator is there, that number is bigger. But in this, it is different. Okay, so see next example, next question also, 7 by 10 and 7 by 12. So since 10 is less than 12, therefore 7 by 10 is greater than 7 by 12. Okay, so with the help you can solve this. Okay, one has lots of example is there also. Then now come to example number 12. Page number 85. Change 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 into equivalent fractions having same fraction, but denominator should be same. Okay, you have to make denominator same. 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 is there. So what we will do? First we will find the LCM of this denominator. So we find LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, so we will find the LCM of 4 and 6. So what will the 4 and 6 LCM will be there? So we will find 4 and 6 LCM. 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is what? 12. So first number is 3 by 4. First number is 3 by 4. And second number is 1 by 6. First number is 3 by 4, second number is second number is 1 by 6. So see, here you got LCM 12. So here you have to find, here you have to take out the denominator 12, because here you have to find the same denominator. So you have to find your denominator should come 12 only, because LCM is 12. So your denominator should also come denominator 12. So what you will do? So first, what number you will multiply with what number you will multiply with 4? So your denominator will come 12. So I will what? I will multiply 4 into 3. So see, 12 will come because I have to take out this 12. So if I multiply this with 4, 3, with denominator 4 I have multiplied 3, then my 12 came. So with this numerator 3 also I will multiply 3 only, because if you will multiply this denominator 3, then you have to multiply with same number here also. So 3 into 3, 9. Come to this 1 by 6. What number you will multiply? So your denominator will come 12. So I will multiply with 2. Then 6 into 2, 12. So if I multiply with 2 here, so I will multiply with 2 here also. So here also 2 by 2. So see, change 3 by 4 and 1 by 6 to equal. So it is an equivalent fraction and having same denominator. 6 denominator is also same. First, very easy, you have to find the LCM. After finding the LCM, what number you will multiply, that your denominator will come the LCM you have found. So 12 done. Come to example number 13. Which is greater, 3 by 8, which is greater 3 by 8 or 5 by 2. Okay, so again we find LCM of, because see here numerator is different and here denominator is also different, so we cannot find. So until unless we will not do numerator same or denominator same. So we find LCM of this denominator 8 and 12. So 8 and 12 LCM will be 2 times 4, 2 times 6, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24. So here LCM is 24. So now we will do this denominator 24. So 3 by 8. So 3 by 8, what number you will multiply? So your denominator come 24. So I will multiply with 3. So 24, if I multiply with 3 here, so then here also will multiply with 3. Next is 5 by 12. So what number you will multiply with 12? So your denominator will come 2. So with 2 I will multiply. So if here you are multiplying with 2, so here also you have to multiply by 2. So see, 5 into 2, 10, 12 into 2, 24. Now see, now you can compare, because this denominator is also 24, this denominator is also 24. So I told you, when denominator is same, then we compare numerator. So here 10 is, since 10 is greater than 9. 10 is greater than 9. So therefore 10 by 24 is greater than 9 by 24. Okay. Now see, 10 by 24 I have taken for whom? For which number? 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 is greater than 9 by 24. What I have taken? 3 by 8. So 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. So till here I am stopping. In next next classes I will go for example number 14. So for now, goodbye to all.